Hey guys, I'm in the midst of fall cleaning, and with that comes repairs, a lot of repairs. I'm downstairs in my daughter and son's bathroom down here, and this is what has happened to the sink. So the pieces underneath came right off when I went down under the sink to take a look. They were just in pieces, they were just hanging there. Out and got replacements that look like this. So the first thing I'm going to do is shut the water off. This is what it looks like from underneath the sink. I'm laying flat on my back, so it's a little bit awkward, so bear with me. This is what's going to have to come off. This right here. So I'm hoping that I can get these off. Okay, wait. I must be incredibly tired. Let's do this again. I really can't get it to... Okay, let's see. Okay, let's do this again. Holy smokes, I can't get that one off. Come on. Into a problem. This one right here, I can't get off from underneath the sink. It's almost like it's corroded on there, and I physically can't get this off underneath the sink. So I tried putting this up and seeing if I can get some leverage on it on the top side, but no, all I'm going to do is destroy this. So what I'm going to have to do, my last ditch effort to try to get this off, is to remove the whole faucet. Now I went ahead and got some bowls, some plastic bowls underneath here to catch any water that's going to come out, because for sure it's going to. Okay, now I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to see if I can get a better grip on it now that it's out of the sink, and try to remove this part right here. Got this off under the sink, and this is the hose that came off it. This one I could not get off. I tried everything to get this off of here and I couldn't. So I called my son, and he came over after work and took this off of here. He even had a hard time with it, and he's a big strong guy, so I didn't feel so bad when I couldn't get it off. But he got that off for me. So the next thing I'm going to do is put this back in, and then I'm going to work on this from the underside. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my piece, I don't know if you can see that, and I'm just going to put that right on there. And just, I don't want to tighten it completely until I can see if it's straight up there. So I'll just leave it like that. I'm going to reattach this, and I'm going to have to tighten that really, really good. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same on the other side. This one is going on quite fine, but it's like it won't tighten when I get it up there. It grips and then it releases. You don't have to do too much for it to release. Well, the only solution that I can think of for this is getting some plumber's tape and trying to hopefully get a better grip on this. Probably would have been better if I took this right out of the sink again to do this. Well, we'll see how this goes. No. Okay. So what I'm going to do is take this off, this off, remove the taps again, and put the tape on up there so it goes on better. Okay. See if we can do a better job on that. Now, we'll see where this gets us. Now, let's see if I can find it. There it is. This is going to work. Yeah, I don't know. It may. Look at that. Yes. All right. By Georgia, I think she's got it. Okay, next one. Go ahead and tighten these up. That's pretty good. So the next thing I'm going to do is reconnect these. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same on the other one. And then give them a really good crank to get them tight. This one's in and this one's in. They're nice and tight. So I'm going to turn on the water. Turned out well. Nice and straight. Nice and tight. Till next time. Hey-do.